Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic off-grid power solution, the Renogy 100W solar kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the Renogy 100W solar kit? This is a comprehensive solar panel starter kit designed for anyone looking to harness the power of the sun for their off-grid needs. It includes a 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel, a 30A LCD PWM charge controller, an adapter kit, tray cables, and Z-brackets, making it a complete package for RVs, campers, or any other off-grid applications. Let's talk about some key features that make this kit stand out. First and foremost is its efficient performance. The solar panel can generate an average of 500 Wh of electricity per day, although this can vary based on sunlight availability. With a cell efficiency of 22.5%, it performs 1.3% better than many of its counterparts. This means you're getting more power from the same amount of sunlight, which is a significant advantage for anyone relying on solar energy. Another highlight is Renogy's market-leading service plan. You can enjoy peace of mind with a 10-year coverage for solar panel material and workmanship, along with a 2-year plan for the charge controller. Plus, there's a remarkable 25-year service plan for the power output of the panel, which speaks volumes about the durability and reliability of this product. Safety is also a priority with the Renogy 100W solar kit. It is certified by multiple safety standards, including UL 61730 and IEC 61215. The solar panel can withstand wind loads of up to 2,400 pascals and snow loads of 5,400 pascals, making it suitable for a wide range of weather conditions. With an IP65 rated junction box and IP67 rated solar connectors, this kit is built to last, even in challenging environments. One of the standout features of the Wanderer PWM charge controller included in this kit is the remote monitoring capability. By adding a Renogy BT1 Bluetooth module, you can monitor your solar system directly from your smartphone using the Renogy DC Home app. This allows you to keep track of voltage and current in real time, and you'll receive timely alerts for overvoltage, undervoltage, and over-discharge situations. Now, who is this solar kit suitable for? If you're an outdoor enthusiast, this kit is perfect for RV owners, campers, or anyone who enjoys spending time off the grid. It's also an ideal choice for homeowners looking to supplement their energy needs with renewable power. Whether you're powering lights, appliances, or electronics, this kit can handle it all. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're on a camping trip far from power sources. With the Renogy 100W solar kit, you can power your lights, charge your devices, and even run a small refrigerator, all using clean, renewable energy. For those living in remote areas, this kit can provide a reliable source of electricity for essential needs. Additionally, if you're planning to expand your solar setup in the future, this kit supports expansion up to 400W with additional solar panels, making it a great long-term investment. In summary, the Renogy 100W solar kit is a robust, efficient, and versatile off-grid power solution suitable for a wide range of users. With its impressive performance, market-leading service plan, and safety certifications, it's a product worth considering for anyone looking to go solar. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.